Good morning, reception. Our number for the week this week is number 17. So in that number, there is a 1 and there is a 7 to make the number 17. Now, here is a tens frame. So you know, hopefully by now, that a tens frame, there will be 10 in total if there are counters on all of them. So we've got 10 and then 7 in our tens frame. Are there any other different ways that you could fill the tens frame to still show 17? You could have a think. You could draw yourself a little tens frame at home and see if you could fill it in showing 17, but in a different way to that it's on my screen now. That's a good little challenge for you. Now, this word, do you know what it says? You could try and sound it out, but it is a little bit tricky. Now, I'm hoping that most people know that it starts with a S, and the word says 17. And that's it written down as a word. So we normally write it as numbers, a 1 and a 7. But if you want to write it down as a word, that is how you write it. And here is some Numicon showing a 17. Again, we've got the 10 Numicon and the 7 Numicon. And you can see if you can make 17 any different ways using some different Numicon shapes. And here is a tower. Now, are there 17 cubes there? Can you check for me? You might need to count on your screen. See if you can give it a go. Make sure there are definitely 17. Make sure Miss Sanson hasn't got it wrong, because I still do, unfortunately. Now, can you find me the number 17 on the number line? What numbers are near number 17? What number comes before 17? Have a think. Can you spot it? Let's see if you've got it right. There we go. So 16 is before number 17, and after 17, it's the number 18. So it goes 16, 17, 18, as you can see on the number line just there. Can you spot the number 17 on this number line? Because it's a bit up the wrong way. See if you can give it a go. Fantastic. Now, it is Adam's big brother's birthday, and he's 17. He needs to put 17 candles on the cake. Let's see if we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Goodness me, that must be a big cake to manage to put 17 candles on. One day, all of you will have to have 17 candles on your cake when you're a little bit bigger, though. Now, Hope needs a little bit of help. She needs to find the jar that has 17 sweets in. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you need to count each of the sweets and work out which one has 17 sweets in. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time now, but if you need to stop me to give yourself enough time to count, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to check now. We've got 1, 2. Oh, I think I've got it. Right, I think it might be this one after my counting. Yes, got it right. Well done, everybody, if you picked that one as well. Super. Right, your first challenge is, can you tap your head 17 times? Okay, so you've got to count and tap your head at the same time. See if you can give it a go. Your next challenge, with a grown-up or a sibling, can you show 17 fingers? How many different ways can you find using your fingers? Well done, everybody. You are now Super Troopers at the number 17. Fantastic. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.